Kettlebells, with their distinctive shape and dynamic usage, have carved a unique niche in the realm of fitness. These versatile tools have surged in popularity, revolutionizing workout routines worldwide. Their incorporation into fitness regimens has brought about a new dimension to strength training, blending functionality and efficiency. And today we are going to delve into the multifaceted aspects of kettlebells within the fitness domain, as well as dissect and evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of kettlebell utilization when juxtaposed with conventional weights. Stick around for the entire video, because later we will also be introducing you to a few basic exercises that are commonly performed as part of a kettlebell workout routine. One intriguing aspect about kettlebells that might surprise many is their historical lineage. Originating in Russia during the 18th century, kettlebells were initially used as counterweights for agricultural goods at markets. However, they evolved into a tool for physical training and were later adopted by the Russian military and strongmen for strength and conditioning. Kettlebells are called so due to their resemblance to the shape of a traditional kettle or tea kettle. The term kettlebell originates from a Russian word which means a cast iron weight or kettlebell. These fitness tools have a distinctive design featuring a rounded body and a handle, akin to the shape of a classic kettle, hence the name kettlebell. The handle allows for various grip positions and facilitates a wide array of swinging, lifting, and ballistic movements, making it a versatile tool for strength and conditioning workouts. Now let's cover some of the benefits and advantages of utilizing kettlebells when it comes to improving health and fitness. Number 1 is kettlebell exercises target multiple muscle groups. Kettlebells offer an extensive repertoire of exercises that target different muscle groups throughout the body. The versatility of kettlebells enables individuals to engage various muscle groups in both isolation and compound movements. This wide array of exercises caters to different fitness goals, allowing users to focus on specific muscles or engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Number 2 is kettlebell exercises integrate strength and cardiovascular training. One of the remarkable benefits of kettlebells is their ability to seamlessly blend strength and cardiovascular training into a single workout session. Movements such as kettlebell swings, high pulls, and snatches demand significant energy expenditure, elevating heart rate and providing an effective cardiovascular workout. Simultaneously, the resistance offered by kettlebells during these movements challenges muscles, promoting strength development. This amalgamation of strength and cardio in a single workout not only saves time, but also enhances overall fitness levels. A third benefit is improved coordination. Kettlebell exercises demand a coordinated effort between multiple muscle groups, requiring precise movements. As users swing, lift, or perform various kettlebell exercises, they must coordinate their body movements to maintain control over the kettlebell's trajectory. This constant coordination between the upper and lower body aids in improving overall coordination. Number 4 is kettlebells develop agility. Kettlebell training involves dynamic, rapid movements that require quick transitions and adjustments. Moves like kettlebell swings or snatches engage fast-twitch muscle fibers and promote agility development. The explosive nature of these movements helps individuals become more agile and responsive in various physical activities. Number 5 is functional fitness integration. Kettlebell exercises often replicate movements encountered in everyday life, such as picking up objects, carrying loads, or swinging motions. These functional movements engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, preparing the body for real-life activities and improving overall functionality. Number 6 is core engagement. Kettlebell exercises inherently promote core engagement due to their design and dynamic movements. The off-center weight distribution of the kettlebell requires the body to stabilize and counterbalance the movements, primarily engaging the core muscles, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back, throughout various exercises. The swinging, lifting, and rotational motions involved in kettlebell exercises demand a stable core to control the movement and maintain proper form. Number 7 is joint mobility. The swinging, lifting, and rotating actions involved in kettlebell workouts promote joint mobility and flexibility, closely resembling the multiplanar movements commonly seen in real-life scenarios. Additionally, kettlebell exercises engage stabilizer muscles extensively by virtue of their displaced center of mass. This engagement extends the range of motion, prompting the activation of smaller, stabilizing muscles around joints, thereby improving proprioception, balance, and functional strength. This is why kettlebell workouts not only develop muscular strength, but also contribute significantly to joint stability, balance enhancement, and overall functional fitness. Number 8 is kettlebells can help maximize your workout time. Kettlebells streamline workouts by serving as a singular tool for a myriad of exercises, eliminating the need for multiple equipment changes. Their fluid movement patterns and versatile nature facilitate seamless transitions between exercises, minimizing downtime. With minimal setup required, users can swiftly move from one exercise to another, fostering an uninterrupted workout flow. Kettlebell's compatibility with circuit training allows for high-intensity routines with minimal rest, optimizing cardiovascular fitness and metabolic response. This efficiency in transitioning between exercises makes kettlebell workouts time-effective, ideal for maximizing gains within shorter workout sessions. Benefit number 9 is kettlebells enhance grip strength. Kettlebell training significantly enhances grip strength due to the nature of its exercises, which require a secure and firm grip on the handle throughout various dynamic movements. The thick, rounded handle of a kettlebell challenges the grip more than traditional barbells or dumbbells, activating muscles in the hands, fingers, wrists, and forearms. As individuals progress in their kettlebell workouts and opt for heavier weights or longer durations, the demand on the grip intensifies, leading to substantial improvements in grip strength over time. This enhanced grip strength not only aids in performing kettlebell exercises effectively, but also translates to functional strength improvements in various daily activities and sports. The disadvantages of kettlebells encompass technical challenges, limited weight progression, and potential injury risks. Mastering proper form and technique is crucial to avoid injuries, yet it involves an initial learning curve that may deter beginners. Unlike traditional weights, kettlebells offer limited weight increments, which might not accommodate the needs of advanced lifters seeking heavier loads for progression. Furthermore, the potential for injury looms due to the risk of strains or muscle imbalances resulting from incorrect form. Comparing kettlebells to regular weights reveals distinct advantages and trade-offs. Kettlebells excel in enhancing functional fitness through their emphasis on dynamic, full-body movements, providing a holistic approach compared to the isolated exercises often associated with traditional weights. They uniquely blend cardiovascular and strength training within a single workout, promoting overall fitness. However, regular weights offer greater flexibility in weight increment options for progressive overload, beneficial for advanced lifters seeking precise load adjustments to challenge muscles progressively. Additionally, regular weights allow for specific targeting of muscle groups through isolation exercises, providing a focused approach to muscle development which is not always achievable with kettlebell's more holistic approach. Now let's look at 3 fundamental kettlebell exercises and how to perform them. The first exercise is called the kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is a foundational movement that targets the posterior chain, primarily the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also engaging the core and shoulders. Start in a hip-width stance. Hinge at the hips to grasp the kettlebell with both hands and initiate the swing by driving the hips forward explosively. Let the kettlebell swing back between the legs, then forcefully extend the hips to propel the kettlebell forward to chest height. For beginners, starting with a kettlebell weight between 8 to 12 kilograms for women and 12 to 16 kilograms for men is a good starting point. It's essential to choose a weight that allows you to perform the swings with proper form and control. It's advisable to start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. As you become more comfortable and confident with the movement, gradually increase the number of reps or sets. The second kettlebell exercise is called the Turkish get-up. The Turkish get-up is a multi-step full-body exercise that enhances core stability, shoulder strength, and overall mobility. Begin lying on your back, holding the kettlebell in one hand with the arm extended toward the ceiling. With controlled movements, use your free hand to prop yourself up while keeping your eyes on the kettlebell. Transition through various positions, such as the high bridge and lunge, until you're standing, then reverse the movements to return to the starting position. Beginners might opt for a lighter kettlebell to master the technique before progressing to heavier weights. Starting with a weight around 4 to 8 kilograms for women and 8 to 12 kilograms for men is recommended. The Turkish get-up involves multiple steps and requires attention to detail in each phase of the movement. Take your time to learn and master each step before progressing to more reps or sets. Exercise number 3 is the goblet squat. The goblet squat is a lower body exercise that targets the quads, glutes, and core, while also improving mobility and stability. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest with both hands, stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and perform a squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your chest up, maintain a neutral spine, and make sure your core is engaged throughout the movement. Beginners can begin with a weight between 8 to 12 kilograms for women and 12 to 16 kilograms for men. Ensure that the chosen weight allows you to perform the squat with proper form while still challenging your muscles. As a beginner, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Remember, the number of sets and reps can vary based on individual fitness levels, experience, and comfort with the exercises. It's crucial for beginners to prioritize proper technique and gradually increase intensity by adding reps or sets as they become more proficient and confident in performing these kettlebell movements. Additionally, taking adequate rest between sets and focusing on quality over quantity will help in building a solid foundation and preventing injuries. Consulting a fitness professional or trainer for personalized guidance and adjustments to your workout routine is also highly recommended. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on health and fitness. Thank you for watching.